Hello everyone, myself Anisha and I'm here to teach you human digestive system today. In this video we were going to discuss what is digestive system, why we need it, and at last we will discuss structure and the function of main organs of alimentary canal. So let's we discuss. Firstly, what is digestive system and why we need it? Basically, digestive system is a group of organs in our body which will work together for the breakdown of food, absorb nutrients and remove waste from our body. The key parts for this digestive system consist of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and another organ which help in digestion were liver, pancreas, gallbladder. All these organs we will discuss in brief in the next incoming slides. So let's begin. Now the first question we strike in our mind, why we need the digestive system in our life process or in our body. Everyone firstly give the answer is that through digestion we provide energy to our body, right? Everyone give this answer firstly. Yeah, you are right. Firstly, it provides us energy by breakdown of foods that we intake in our body in the form of sugar, fats, and protein. Second, it also provides nutrients by the extraction of minerals, vitamins, amino acids, and other nutrients from the food, which helps in the growth and repair of our body parts. Then it's eliminate waste from our body, and at last if our digestive system function well, our body is healthy, our all the organs in our body function well. So we need digestive system in our life process or in our body because it provides energy, supply nutrients, eliminate waste, keep the body functioning well. Okay, then we will discuss structure and the function of main organs of alimentary canal. We will discuss firstly what is alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is basically a long tube with muscular wall, epithelial lining of varying diameter. Alimentary canal consists of various organs in which mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, which all these organs work together with some another organ for the digestion and absorption of food. Now, now we see how the digestion will completed in our body with the help of this flow chart. See, here this is the mouth and the pipe that go downward is called esophagus, and the J-shaped structure is called stomach, and this curve were shown in the figure is called small intestine. After this curve a small curve was shown, this is called large intestine, and then rectum and anal sphincter were come. Rectum and anal sphincter were the part of excretory system. Now see, on the left hand side there is a leaf-like structure called liver, and on the lower bottom there is gallbladder. In between the stomach and the small intestine there is a leaf-like structure called pancreas. Now see how these organs help in the digestion process. Firstly, the food entered through the mouth, and here the chewing and swallowing of food will take place. Chemical digestion of carbohydrate and fats with the help of salivary enzymes, and the name of salivary glands was salivary amylase, which start the chemical breakdown of carbohydrate into mouth. Now the food moves downward through the pipe, and the movement of food downward into the stomach is called peristalsis, and this movement of food into the pipe is called esophagus. Then the food entered into the stomach. Here, secretion of mucus, HCl, and gastric juices will take place. Chemical digestion of protein and fats will take place. In this, The proteins with the help of enzyme pepsin converted into small polypeptides, sugar into fructose and glucose, and fats and water into fatty acid and glycerol with the help of lipase enzyme. After 4 to 5 hours, this food were converted into solid soupy material called chyme. This food, remember, is called chyme. The chyme entered into the small intestine. Here, remember, this is small intestine, but this is the largest organ of digestive system. And here the chemical absorption of carbohydrate, fats, polypeptides will take place with the help of liver, which produces the bile salt, and the gallbladder, which store the bile, and pancreas, which produces the pancreatic juices through pancreatic duct and maintain the pH of chyme into the small intestine. In small intestine, absorption and digestion of food take place, and then the rest of food enter into large intestine. Here the absorption of water and some organic molecule and the stool were formed. This stool were now entered into rectum and anal sphincter, pass it out from the body in the form of waste. I hope you will understand through the flow diagram how the digestion was start and how the digestion will end. Now we will discuss in some points how all the organs will help in digestion. See, in mouth, digestive process begin. Chewing food is called mechanical digestion, and when the saliva start breaking down of carbohydrate is called chemical digestion. Chewed food from a soft ball called bolus. After that, mouth food enter into esophagus, and we already discussed the movement of food downward to the stomach is called peristalsis, and then stomach breaking of food, digestion of food, and the thick soupy liquid is called chyme. We already discussed in the flow chart. In small intestine is called the largest digestive organ, and with the help of some other organ, digestion begin and absorption begin. Which are the organ? Liver, gallbladder, pancreas, and small finger-like projection or villi, which help in absorption of nutrient in small intestine. After that, the rest of material into large intestine, left of material into large intestine. Here the absorption of water and stool were formed, and this stool were enter into rectum and pass it out from the body. Now we will summarize all the things we will discuss. We will discuss what is digestive system, why we need, then the different organs present in digestive system, and what is their work. And this is we roughly remember: mouth, chewing and saliva; esophagus, move down the food into the stomach mixes and break down the food; small intestine, absorption and digestion; large intestine, absorb water and stool formation; and rectum, remove the food. So all these organs will work together in a smooth manner so that our body will well coordinated work and makes us healthy. I hope you will understand all the topics. So thank you so much.